Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you a new method to earn money online. This is the best site to earn money without invest anything. First you have to register to the site in description. Then log in. As you can see here, you need to earn cents that will be converted in points. There are a lot of ways to make cents. You can complete offers. Here you have a lot of possibilities. I suggest you Wonnets, Personally and Peanut Labs. They are the most paying ones. As you can see here, you can earn a lot of cents. Also you can complete daily survey like this, 70 cents in just 12 minutes. Here there are tasks. You can complete these simple ones to earn other cents easily. You can also refer some friends to earn a 10% of their income, and sure, you can download the official application where you can complete survey and earn cents watching videos. This platform is different from the others because it's very easy to complete offers. To redeem your cents you can choose Amazon gift card or PayPal. As you can see, you need 530 cents to withdraw $5. I have already got paid from this site. Here you can see my survey and offers completed. It's very easy. In the next video I'll show you how to complete surveys and offers easily. Here is my proof of payment. This is a legit site. So this was the presentation of Gift Hunter Club. In the next video I'll show how to easily complete offers on this site. So subscribe now and have a good day. Thanks for watching.